Should external doors open in or out? Dear friends, doors that open inward are the most common choice for homes. They protect the hinges from weather exposure and make it easier to install traditional locks and security hardware. Inward opening doors are also more convenient for everyday use, especially when you are welcoming guests or carrying groceries inside. However, inward opening doors require enough interior clearance. In smaller entryways, they can interfere with furniture placement or movement, which may feel restrictive over time. On the other hand, outward opening doors are often considered safer in emergency situations. They are harder to force open from the outside and do not block the exit path when people rush out. This is why many commercial buildings prefer outward opening doors. That said, outward opening doors can face challenges in residential settings. Strong winds, rain, or obstacles outside can make them difficult to operate. They also need weather-resistant hinges and locks to avoid rust and damage. So, what's the right choice? For most homes, inward opening external doors offer better comfort and maintenance. But if safety, security, or space efficiency is your top priority, outward opening doors can be a smart alternative. The best option depends on your home layout, climate, and local building rules. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.